Hi everyone, today we are going to review our 5 senses. So we have 5 senses. With our eyes, we see. With our nose, we smell. With our tongue, we taste. With our ears, we hear. And with our hands, we touch. So when we look at objects or things in the world, many times we can use a lot of these senses, and sometimes you can only use a few. So in this case, I'm going to show you some pictures, and you're going to tell me which one you're most likely to use, which sense you're most likely to use. So remember, you can use them in different senses, but the one that you're most likely to use. So for example, here's a waffle. Well, there's a lot you could do with the waffle, right? So you could definitely see a waffle, smell a waffle, taste, and you can't hear it and you can touch it. I'm gonna use this one here on taste. This is where I'm gonna put it because, oh my God, waffles taste delicious, right? So then we have birds. So the one that you're most likely to use for the bird is probably, especially if you live where I live, here. So I hear the birds all the time in the morning, especially. I hear the birds chirping. Okay, then we have a car. So the car, you're probably going to touch the car. You're probably going to be in the car many times. Okay, then we have a sandwich, and I hope you taste the sandwich. So yummy. Okay, we definitely have here the sun. What do you think for the sun? I hope you said we see the sun, right? Okay, then we have a window. So the window, I'm most likely to see through the window. Right? Okay, then we have a yo-yo. So if you have a yo-yo, you want to try to use it, you're going to be touching the yo-yo. Okay. Then we have fish. Now you could definitely put this in a couple different places, like in taste and see and touch, but I'm gonna put it in smell because it has such a strong smell, especially when you're cooking and even when you eat it. There's a strong smell to the fish. Okay, then we have a telephone. So old-fashioned telephone. So that one you're gonna definitely hear it. You're gonna hear the rings, even though most of our phones look different now. If there's a lion, so you could definitely put it in different places, but I'm gonna put it under here because I love to hear the lions roar. So I wanna hear the lions roar, but we also like to see lions. Okay, then I have the moon. So the moon, we can see the moon. All right, I have a couple left. So let's do tomato. So tomato, I think we're gonna be likely to taste. And corn, we can also taste, but I love the smell of corn. I just made some this weekend. So you can put it in both, but I like the smell of it. Okay, and then finally for my last one, I have keys. So I hope you put that under touch because we use our keys to open all kinds of things. So I hope you liked the 5 senses, and maybe you can walk around and find some objects and tell me which senses you could use with them. Okay, thank you. Bye.